Good morning and welcome to another unboxing video from the Pompey Observatory. As I build up my MIMO, the minivan mobile observatory, I was intrigued by a product that claims to boost the 5G cell signal. It's from Weboost. So we're going to unbox it and test it. The box is a bit larger than I expected, and for good reason. And there is the product itself. It is the Drive Sleek. Let's see what's in it. Contact us directly if you need help. All right. This is the cradle, and it claims that the antenna, the boosted signal, is in the cradle, and apparently it is supposed to extend by a full 8 inches. So my first question, will my Samsung tablet fit? Let's see. It does. So the Samsung tablet fits nicely, and this is the cable that connects to the amplifier, to the booster. Let me set this aside. This is the antenna. If you're inside the car, it has a powerful magnet that sits, magnet sits on the roof of the minivan. And the third piece is the booster itself, Weboost. It has Velcro, so it can be Velcroed places, and it has a QR code so you can download the app. The only thing remaining is the power. The 12 volt is very, very small, so I'm going to have to plug it into the Bluetti. It has USB power as well, and then test the whole thing. This is supposed to be a vent holder for the car, and that is another sticky holder for the cradle as well. So that's all we have. Tablet fits nicely. The booster, and if I'm correct, this plugs in here. There's no other place for it. Or not. I'll have to find out where it plugs. Aha, maybe here. If all else fails, I shall read the manual. That's all for now. I will update you very soon with my first test to see if it works.